Okay, hey guys, as I've said yesterday, and as I've promised, I will host a new live webinar today, and I will talk about first of all, maybe I will talk about the Canadian data, because yeah, Canada is to release its unemployment rate, employment change. I will take a look on US oil, on US dollar, Canadian dollar, maybe on gold. Let's see what impact will have on these markets. Hey, Marshall, operation. Hey, how are you? So first of all, guys, before we'll start this session, here is the disclaimer. And yeah, as always, please read it. Please, yeah, it's important for you to understand the risks before trading on the financial markets, on Forex, on commodities. Yeah. Cryptocurrencies, indexes, CFDs. Okay, it's important. And if you have questions, guys, about, I don't know, subscription services or any other questions, you can email support. Okay, okay, thank you, guys. So let's take a look. So as I've said earlier, the Canadian unemployment rate is expected to drop from 5.5 to 5.4%. While the employment change, yeah, is expected around 77,500. Yeah. Let's see what impact will really have these economic data. So US dollar, Canadian dollar, first of all. Adam Queen, yeah, hi, how are you? Appreciate, not a great deal has changed from yesterday on the British pound versus the Japanese yen, but can you take another look and provide your opinion, please? Yeah, I will take a look. Yeah, and I will also ask Orlando to send his update. Yeah, sorry for that. Unfortunately, Orlando was sick. He had some medical problems lately, but yeah, I will ask him to send his update. Yeah, and I believe that yeah, we talked about that market. He said earlier today that he will still keep his position, but yeah, I will take a look on that market as well for you, Adam Quinn. Thank you. So operation just about to put some funds in my other trade, so we'll email you when ready. So yeah, operation, please email support. One moment, because I will send you here. So support, yeah, learn to trade. Okay, so sorry, so operation, you can email support. Okay, they will come back to you, they will help you. And please, if you'll send an email to support, please please be patient, because they will come back to you. There are thousands of messages that support need to process. Yeah, and but they will come back to you, they will reply. Okay, so don't worry. So US dollar, Canadian dollar, let's take a look here in the short term. Yeah, after escaping from this channel here, and also, so we had something like a strong downside movement. I've said yesterday that it has failed here to stabilize below the medium line of the descending pitchfork. Here a channel breakout and upside continuation. It has also jumped above the second warning line of the major descending pitchfork. Maybe I will delete this major pitchfork. Yeah, and I will keep only Fibonacci retracement. And yeah, right now we really need something here like confirmation or something, because it has reached this former low as resistance as static resistance. Yeah, okay, and also the 38.2, sorry, yeah, so the 38.2, this key level, and also maybe, yeah, this key level here. One moment. yeah, something like this. So we are in a resistance resistance zone, resistance area right now. And also, one moment, I will almost go heart attack watching Euro USD, but it's retreating now. Smith, yeah, operation, thank you as well. So yeah, I will update the groups as well with the Canadian economic data. Also, maybe I will refresh here the economic calendar. Okay, so right now we are at resistance here, so strong upside movement. We are at resistance, so that's why I don't want to do anything right now ahead of the Canadian data, because yeah, anything could happen. The volatility could be high, yeah, and maybe, and in my opinion, better than expected Canadian data could maybe force the pair to come back down a little, to decrease a little, to drop a little in the short term, and maybe worse than expected data could lift the pair, could push the price higher, and maybe a new higher high here. Also, value breakout above 1.260606, a new higher high could activate potential growth, further growth here. So that's why I will I'll stay away for now. 1, 2, and 3. Let's see. Yeah. So also the upper medium line of the ascending pitchfork here as resistance. So we need something here, because only test, retest, false breakouts could signal potential drop in the short term, and the value breakout here could signal an upside continuation. But don't forget that we are at resistance. Anything could happen. We could have only false breakouts before a new downside movement. So let's refresh here, and I will update the groups. One moment. So Eurozone, yeah, so worse than expected. So Canadian unemployment rate, yeah, I'm copy pasting from my news terminal. Yeah, so Canadian unemployment rate 5.3%. And Canadian unemployment change. One moment, guys. Today I will yeah, I will send the data to both groups. Yeah. Yeah. So something like this. Okay. So let's take a look. Yeah, it has changed a little in the short term. So 5.3, okay, better than expected unemployment rate versus, because the trader specialists expected a potential drop from 5.5 to 5.4%, and also here employment change worse than expected, okay, 72,500, so worse than expected. So mixed economic data from Canada. Okay, I will close this window. Let's see. Yeah, mixed data, but maybe that better than expected unemployment rate, yeah, could help the Canadian dollar to grow, yeah, a little, to appreciate in the short term. Sergio, hi Olympia, do we have a chance to short US dollar Canadian dollar after this news? Dollar seems to be strong. So before, yeah, let's take a look first of all on dollar index. Okay, so this is why I don't want to go short right now, because the dollar index is still bullish. Yeah, I have an uptrend here, only false breakdown, actually bullish engulfing here on this confluence area, so only false breakdown through this confluence area. And right now it tries to stabilize above the upper medium line. It tries to resume its growth. So as long as maybe the dollar index continues to grow, maybe personally I don't want to go short on the US dollar, even if maybe the US dollar Canadian dollar will retreat a little after the economic data. Okay, So the dollar index retested 99.75 here, and also it has registered only a false breakdown through this confluence area here, formed at the intersection between the upper medium line with this uptrend line. So potential further growth here could could help the US dollar to appreciate. Okay, so that's why let's go back. USD, Canadian dollar. Okay, in the short term, I've told you that personally I'm using correlations, but here I've said that we are at resistance. We have a resistance area, resistance zone. Yeah, that's why maybe I'll wait, or I'll stay away from this market because I don't have something really good. I don't want to buy it here. Below this resistance area, below the upper medium line, below 1.26 psychological level, yeah. And I don't know if I want to, I don't want to sell it here in the short term, only because the dollar index rallies. Okay, so it's up to you, Sergio, what you want to do. It's your trading account, but maybe we don't have something right now really good, in my opinion, here. Actually, let's take a look. 1, 2 and 3. Maybe I'll wait here. So I've drawn another descending pitchfork this time. So 1, 2 and 3. And maybe I will delete also these drawings. Yeah. So a descending pitchfork 1, 2 and 3. And maybe I will go short, or maybe I will I don't know. I will. Right now I don't have confirmation, okay, because the price failed to retest the upper medium line of the descending pitchfork. But in the short term, if the price will retest here the upper medium line of the descending pitchfork, maybe the upper medium line of the ascending pitchfork, to register only false breakouts above this dynamic resistance, and maybe we'll have something like a short opportunity. But also here I want retest, false breakouts, and the new lower low, okay, of the price to drop close below 1.2586, okay, before that's why maybe we'll have to take a look on a lower time frame here, like 15 minutes, something like a sideways movement, guys, and maybe retest here, rejections, false breakouts, new lower low could open the door for a potential downside movement here in the short term. I don't know, something like this, 40 pips or something in the short term, yeah. But right now I don't have confirmation, so I will not open a short position. Yeah. One moment, because I will to check something. Please, guys, don't forget to like this video. Yeah, and also if you want me to take a look on a specific market, please I'm waiting for your messages here in the YouTube channel. And don't forget, if you want me to take a look on a specific market, please also tell me what you are looking at, also your time frame or something. So yeah, and I will reply. Okay. So this is my opinion here in US dollar versus the Canadian dollar. Let's take a look. I've said that I will take a look also on US oil, and maybe I will delete my drawings here. And we have right now something like a support zone, demand area here in US oil. So I'll wait to see how the US oil maybe will react here. And also I will use also Fibonacci retracement. So we are right above 50% retracement level and above this support zone, demand area. Yeah, something like this. Okay, so here in this support zone, support area, if the US oil will develop, can we take a look at gold, please? Yeah, I will take a look on gold, on silver, also on US equities, on US 30, on Dow Jones, on US 100, on US 500. I will take a look on majors, on forex pairs. I will talk about the US dollar. I will take a look on the Japanese yen. So yeah, I will cover all markets. So yeah, in my opinion, right now we don't have something really good, but being in a support zone here, in a support area, maybe we can look for yeah, maybe I will look for long opportunities, but as long as it stays right below this downtrend line, I don't want to go long. Good evening, Sina. Hi, how are you? Paolo. Hi, how are you? So as long as it stays below this downtrend line, maybe I don't want to go long. Yeah. And here, because it's right above this support, I don't want to go short either. Okay, so maybe I'll wait for the price, I don't know, to move sideways here, maybe to retest the downtrend line, and maybe here a bearish pattern could signal potential downside movement or something, or an extended here sideways movement, false breakdowns, a bullish pattern or something, valid breakout could signal an upside reversal. Okay, one moment, because I want to take a look on crypto also, please. Yeah, I will take a look on Bitcoin, on Ethereum, I don't know, maybe on other cryptocurrencies if we'll have time, if you are interested, of course. So yeah, let's draw something here. One moment, guys. Yeah, I will ask Orlando right now to update on his trades. Okay, one moment. Okay, so Orlando will come back with his updates soon. Thank you, Adam Quinn, but I will take a look also on that market as well. So here on 1 hour, 1, 2, and 3 on ascending pitchfork, but right now the price didn't confirm it, this ascending pitchfork, so I'll wait maybe here for test retest, false breakdowns or something, and maybe something here could bring us maybe a short-term rebound buying opportunity towards and maybe it will be attracted by the medium line, and it could come back towards the downtrend line, as I've said. So I will keep an eye on US oil here, and if my if the price action will confirm one moment. Okay, so Orlando maybe will come back later with his update, and he said that to tell you that Adam Quinn, that he's keeping his okay, maybe he's updating now. But Adam Quinn, Orlando's stop loss is at break even, so yeah, maybe that's why he's still keeping his position, his long position, because his trade is secure. Okay, so this is my opinion here. Yeah, okay, so I will take a look at Adam Quinn on that market as well. Don't worry. So but I wanted also an update from Orlando, because it's his trade. Yeah, he knows what he wants to do with his trades. So yeah, I'll wait for something here in this support zone, support area. Right now I don't have something really good, that's why I will move forward. Gold, yeah, gold. I talked about gold, guys, earlier today in that gold breakdown in that video, and I've said that we have something like a range pattern here. And right now it seems that the price of gold registered another false breakout, yeah, above 1938.48. What? Sina, what do you mean by very breakdown? What? So yeah, I talked about gold earlier today, and I said that maybe I'll wait for a very breakout here, yeah, above the upper medium line of the descending pitchfork and above 1938. And yeah, right now only a false breakout. And I've told you that as long as it stays below the upper medium line, the pressure is still high, okay? And that's why I don't have something really good in the short term. And yeah, I don't like the price action right now, this extended sideways movement. That's why maybe I'll wait for a breakout, maybe from this triangle as well. Yeah, we have something like a pattern here, a major triangle, maybe something like this. Yeah, so I'll wait for a valid breakout for Adam Queen. Yeah, no, I will take a look on that market, don't worry, because yeah, I want to talk about the Japanese yen. So I'll wait, guys, for a breakout, and maybe I will look for longs if, yeah, the price of gold escapes from this range, and if it makes an upside breakout from this triangle, okay? But right now it seems that yeah, the dollar index rallies, maybe gold drops, yeah, in the short term. I'll wait, yeah. Also, maybe this retreat correction drop could help us maybe to identify something here on this support zone, support area, okay? But we'll have to wait, okay? This is my opinion here in about gold. Sell off also on silver, guys, yeah. Also here, yeah, unfortunately, let's use here also, let's use pitchfork as well. Yeah, unfortunately, but yeah, this 1 hour candle will be closed in 13 minutes. So let's wait to see. But maybe another false breakout here could signal maybe a potential drop here again. So and only a valid breakout, guys, above this dynamic resistance could maybe bring us something. But right now, unfortunately, the breakout could be invalidated. 1, 2, and 3. Yeah. Yeah, I'll wait here with silver, because right now we don't have something really good. Price of gold drops, and when the price of gold drops, silver could drop as well. Maybe potential support here around 24.100 and 27. Yeah. Let's draw, yeah, retest of the lower medium line of this ascending pitchfork. So right now I don't have something really good in silver. Maybe moving sideways here, I don't know, test retest, yeah, making a very breakout above the upper medium line could signal potential growth or something. But right now we don't have something good. Okay, so dollar index, yeah, it's still bullish. Let's take a look. US dollar, Swiss franc, because I've talked about this markets. Yeah, I've talked about this market yesterday. Yeah, US dollar, Swiss franc, about an upside continuation here. maybe I will delete these, and I will keep only 0.9349. And in the short term, maybe I'll wait to see how it will react here, if we'll really have a value breakout and around the R1. And also we have an inside sliding parallel line here as resistance. Maybe this is a reason why I didn't open the long position here in US dollar versus the Swiss franc. But yeah, as long as the dollar index continues to grow, this market could jump higher towards new highs as well, because we have a strong positive correlation between these two. And yeah, but yeah. Also, another reason why I didn't want it to go long here or to share a trade was also actually these spikes here, yeah, forced me to stay away, yeah, even if the price continues to grow. So it maintains a bullish bias, as I've said yesterday. US dollar Japanese yen. I told you guys yesterday that we cannot exclude also something like this for the price of US dollar Japanese yen to retest also the uptrend line before jumping higher after this. Yeah, yesterday we had something like this. The price was here, and I said that we could still have something like this for the price to come back to retest the broken downtrend line, the uptrend line, before resuming its growth. Yeah. And also I've talked yesterday about maybe potential stop loss, where I should place the stop loss, okay? And I said that maybe if I will place it here right below this low after this retest, if the price will come back down to retest the uptrend line, yeah, it will hit my stop, okay, and it will close my position. That's why I've talked also about the potential stop here, okay, below these former lows. And yeah, right now the price of US dollar Japanese yen rallies. Let's take a look. Yen basket, yeah, sell off here right now. Even if the price jumped above this downtrend line here, major downtrend line, you can see that the yen basket found resistance here, okay? So we have this this zone. Yeah, Orlando sent a new trade in US 500, guys. Okay, and yeah, as long as it stays below this zone, below this area, this could maybe still be only a false breakout. And here, guys, you already know that a new lower low could maybe, and coming back and stabilizing below the downtrend line could signal potential drop. And that's why right now US dollar Japanese yen rallies, because the dollar index is bullish, continues to grow. So we have a strong US dollar, and the Japanese yen was punished by this retreat, by this drop here right now in yen basket. So yeah, yesterday I've said that as long as it stays above the uptrend line, the bias is still bullish. Yeah, it has dropped below this uptrend line, but yeah, Orlando is still keeping his position, his long position. His stop loss is at break even, and I don't know, in the short term the price moves somehow sideways here. So also, as long as it stays above 161.46, above the former lows here, above the former low, above 23.6, it could still jump higher anytime if the yen basket will develop a larger drop, yeah, as I've said earlier. Okay, so that's why Orlando is still keeping his position in British pound Japanese yen. Okay. Yeah, unfortunately the price failed here to make a new high. signaling that maybe the buyers are exhausted. So here in the short term we have something like a range. Okay, so we have a range pattern, and this range pattern, because the bias is bullish here, this range could represent an upside continuation pattern, but maybe we'll need here something, yeah, drop, false breakdown, test, retest, to indicate a potential new upside movement, and yeah, valid breakout, upside continuation, or yeah, as I've said, valid breakout, a new higher high could signal potential growth. Okay, so right now we are around the middle, the half of this this range. So yeah, we cannot do anything right now here. Euro Japanese yen, let's take a look. Yeah, it continues to stay above this support zone, but unfortunately I don't have a good setup right now. Maybe I'll wait for the yen basket to confirm a new downside movement. Sina, what you mean by moving stop loss to break even? You mean risk free? So Sina, yeah, I will open the real account, and yeah, when moving the stop loss to break even, it's when you are moving the stop loss exactly at the entry price. Okay, so let's take a look here. Okay, so please take a look here. Orlando's trade, British pound versus the Japanese yen. Okay, so you can see that his entry was here. Okay, one moment. So his entry was here at 161.30. yeah, and I don't know where it was his initial stop loss. Maybe his initial stop loss was here, I believe, yeah, below these former lows, because he entered long here. He wanted actually to go long here, right above these former highs, on a potential breakout. So yeah, he moved his stop loss from here, yeah, from below these former lows to break even. Okay, right above, or actually exactly on the entry, or right above it, or something, yeah, something like this. So this this is break even, and this is how you can move stop loss to break even. Okay, to secure your trade, okay, if the price will turn against you. Okay, Euro British pound, yeah, I will take a look on that market, but right now I will yeah, I will hide this setup, because it was not maybe a high probability setup, but yeah, Canadian dollar Japanese yen drop within this down channel, and here something like a sideways movement, breakout, and yeah, right now it challenges the 23.6, and only because the yen basket plunged, the Canadian dollar Japanese yen rallies in the short term. So yeah, maybe we missed an opportunity here, but maybe we'll have another opportunity here. Okay, above the 23.6. If the price maybe will close above it, stabilize above it, to make a consolidation accumulation, maybe we can still catch something like an upside continuation. Okay, here in Canadian dollar Japanese yen. But as I've said, yen basket is at yen basket. Yen basket is at support. Okay, I've told you that is retesting the broken downtrend line, and also is still located above 82.61. So let's wait. Okay, personal wait for something. I don't know. Okay, yeah, because if it stays above this level, only false breakdown, a new leg higher could help the yen to appreciate again, and only a deeper drop will force the yen to resume its depreciation. Okay, so Australian dollar Japanese yen. Also here, maybe I'm looking for something extended sideways movement in the short term. After this retreat, it has found support on the 50% retracement level. So yeah, here on 15 minutes or on 1 hour or something, yeah, so correction, sideways movement, and yeah, I'll wait for maybe for new long opportunities here. Okay, and in my opinion, only a value breakdown, new lower low could open the door for a deeper drop. And here I would like to see test, retest, false breakdowns here, and the new higher high could signal a potential new upwards movement. But I'll wait for the yen basket. And I will take a look also, Smith, on euro versus the British pound, New Zealand dollar, US dollar. Also here downside movement, and I don't know, down channel as potential bullish pattern. Yeah, it's located right above 61.8, right above the 61.8 retracement level. And let's use a descending pitchfork. Yeah, it has escaped from this pitchfork, but it has failed to make a new higher high, so the price drop it deeper. Don't forget, guys, that you can watch this this video again in our YouTube channel as many times as you like, because maybe I'm moving too fast with my drawings or with my analysis. But yeah, so in the short term, yeah, the pressure is still high. And also, I've told you that as long as it stays inside of this down channel, yeah, I will not. I don't want to go long. Okay. Let's invite more members, because maybe there are more members interested. Yeah. Okay, so let's move forward. Euro USD, because someone asked me about this market. So someone was almost to make a heart attack because, I don't know, a euro turned into the upside or something. One moment. Yeah, Smith, almost go heart attack watching Euro USD. Yeah, in the short term, yeah, we had a rebound, but as I said yesterday, yeah, the bias is bearish. Euro versus the US dollar could resume its sell-off if the dollar index resume its growth. So yeah, the bias is still bearish, but right now it's too late to go short. It's too late to sell it, in my opinion, because yeah, we have 1.0821 as support, as downside target. So right now it's too late. Yeah, that's why I will move forward. I don't have something really good here on British pound, US dollar as well, because also this market is almost to approach to reach 1.3 psychological level, guys. Let's wait to see how the British pound versus the US dollar will react here around 1.3. Yeah, 1.3 psychological level. It could, I don't know, could rebound maybe if it will register only false breakdowns. Yeah, this psychological level is and represents a key level. Let's wait. I don't have something right now. I don't want to sell it right now. I don't want to buy it as long as I don't have a bullish pattern, bullish signal here. Yeah, so we talked about US dollar, Japanese yen, further growth, as I said yesterday. US dollar Swiss franc, also here an upside continuation. DXY, yeah, upside continuation on the DXY. US dollar, Canadian dollar, let's take a look again. So yeah, US dollar, Canadian dollar is almost to hit this upper medium line. Let's wait. Personally, I'll wait here for confirmation. As I've said, very breakout here above these levels could signal an upside continuation. And as I've said here, only test, retest, false breakouts. A new lower low could signal potential drop. But as I've said, as long as the dollar index continues to drop, as long as the dollar index continues to grow, US dollar is strong. And also the Canadian economic data came in mixed earlier today. So yeah, this could still be only an accumulation, consolidation before resuming its growth. New Zealand dollar, US dollar, yeah, strong sell-off, deeper drop, but yeah, it's too late maybe to go short right now, because after something like this, after this strong downside movement sell-off, we cannot exclude a temporary rebound. Okay. Also right now it has reached the lower medium line here. Yeah. No, I don't have something here. So even if yeah, I've said yesterday that maybe we'll have a rebound from 0.7466, only a sideways movement, and right now sell off. But I don't know. I don't like the price section. Yeah, downside continuation. Yeah, here with this retest and aggressive breakdown, retest of 0.7466 confirmed, and the signaled potential deeper drop here. But personally, I will not go short here right now. Maybe it's too late. Personally, I would have liked to catch something here, okay, around this high. Yeah, not here, okay. Because after something like this, it could maybe rebound anytime. But right now, yeah, it drops because the dollar index rallies. Okay, I talked about Japanese yen, about US dollar, US 100. If you'll excuse me, guys, only for 1 minute. I will come back. 1 minute, guys. Sorry. Okay, I'm back, guys. Sorry. So US 100, and someone asked me yesterday, or actually someone said that US 100 is a sell, or is bearish. I've said that that maybe we'll have only a retest of this lower medium line of the ascending pitchfork here. Okay, I've said yesterday that we have something like a support zone here around the 38.2, and that also lower medium line of the descending pitchfork. Okay, so yeah, it has rebounded, it has retested the medium line, and right now it drops. But I don't know, as I've said yesterday, maybe I'll wait for the US 100 to escape from this range. Yeah, it is it's trapped between 14,653, 14,394 or something. So I'll wait. I don't have something really good here right now. Maybe yeah, after a breakdown, a breakout, I'll have something. Okay, US 30, yeah, it drops as well. Now, yeah, unfortunately, yesterday I've said that maybe a new lower low here could signal a potential deeper drop, but unfortunately, it has invalidated here its breakdown rally, and maybe right now it tries only maybe to retest 34,567 or something before trying to come back higher or something. But yeah, I don't have something really good here. Yeah, on US 30 on the Dow Jones Industrial Average. Let's take a look on 15 minutes. Yeah, it has rallied, it has reached, it has found resistance at the upper medium line, drop. Yeah, but yeah, I don't know, this could still be only a temporary retreat, or yeah, here we have these former highs, 34,567, and also the medium line. I'll wait to see how the US 30 will react here in the short term. Okay. Yeah, US 500. Orlando sent his new trade in US 500. A sell stop. So yeah, okay. Maybe Orlando, he will come back with his trade, with his rationale, with his thought process behind this trade. So that's why please could you look and comment on the Australian dollar, US dollar, what's going on. Thanks much for. So I've talked about this market earlier, about Australian dollar, US dollar. Okay, I will take a look again, but yeah, also you can watch this this video, this webinar, the recording later, or maybe during weekend, because this webinar, this video will be you will find this webinar in our YouTube channel. We have there a playlist, live webinars, and you will find it. You can watch it again. So maybe I will not. I don't want to talk about US 500 because Orlando already sent his new trade here on this market, and maybe he will come back with his rationale, with his thought process. And but right now you saw that US 100, US 30 are going down, so US 500 drops as well. Yeah, it has reached these former lows as resistance levels. But yeah, as I've said, maybe Orlando will come back with his with a short video or written analysis, with his thought process, rationale, yeah, about this market. Okay, and also I've said yesterday that maybe when the dollar index rallies, I don't want to be long on US equities. Okay, so that's why I don't want to go long on US 30, US 100, US 500. So only because when the US dollar is strongly bullish, the US equities could drop or something. Yeah. So Peter, about Australian US dollar, I've talked about this market earlier. Please could you look and comment on Australian dollar US dollar, what's going on. So as I've said, when you want me to take a look on a specific market like Australian dollar US dollar, please tell me what you are looking at, because personally maybe I will analyze this market on weekly, okay? And what, maybe this is not helpful for you, okay? So that's why please tell me what you are looking at. Yeah, if you want me to take a look on a specific market and on a specific, I don't know, time frame. Yeah, technically you can see here 0.7555 as resistance, key level, only false breakout, and also here a pin bar, a shooting star here on daily, yeah, confirmed by this candle. So in the short term, yeah, the bias is bearish. It has turned to the downside, also because we have a strong dollar index, and yeah, this is my opinion here. And I've talked about Australian dollar US dollar earlier. Here also about 0.7466 breakdown. Yeah, and I said that maybe I want, unfortunately I've missed an opportunity here, and that's why maybe I don't want to go short here. Maybe here after this breakout, maybe I'll wait maybe for a rebound, retreat, yeah, for a potential flag, rising wedge in the short term, yeah, for a continuation pattern or a sideways movement, yeah, for a range before I will decide to go short or something. Right now I don't want to sell it here, also because yeah, even if the dollar index is strongly bullish, anything could happen, guys, and if it will invalidate a potential upside continuation, and if it will turn to the downside, yeah, it will force maybe the USD to drop. So weekly, on weekly, it seems that we'll have a false breakout with great separation above this former high. Okay, false breakout with great separation could signal that the buyers are exhausted, and that maybe the market could turn to the downside. But yeah, as I've said, maybe personally I'll wait for confirmations in the short term, because also after something like this, the price could come back to maybe to retest, I don't know, the immediate resistance levels before dropping deeper or something. So yeah, this is my opinion here. Yeah, false breakout with great separation also above maybe the upper medium line of the ascending pitchfork. But yeah, let's wait, because the price is almost to hit the medium line, which represents maybe a potential dynamic support here. So I'll wait, okay, for something. Okay, so I've talked about Euro, British pound. Before I will talk about cryptocurrencies. I don't like the price action here. That's why, yeah, I'm not trading this market too often, but yeah, 0.8281 as key level. sideways movement above this this level, key level. But also it has failed maybe to stabilize above the former highs. So no, I don't have something. I really hate maybe the price action here right now. So 1, 2 and 3 here. So medium line of the descending pitchfork as downside target, as downside obstacle, dynamic support, and I don't know, staying above it, moving sideways, could signal maybe potential rebound. I don't know here on euro versus the British pound in the short term, but yeah, sorry. Let's see if we had something here on 15 minutes. Yeah, only false breakdown. But as I've said, maybe I'll wait. Maybe I'll wait for the price to test, retest. Maybe the medium line. Yeah, to register only false breakdowns before it could maybe turn to the upside. But no, I don't have a buying setup right now, only because also 0.8353 represents an immediate upside obstacle, static resistance. So no, I don't want to go long, I don't want to go short either here. So no, I don't have something, yeah, unfortunately. Okay, Bitcoin. I said yesterday that the pressure is still high despite temporary rebound. It has failed to stay above the channel's downside line. So yeah, I've also said, guys, that after here is failure to stabilize below the medium line of the descending pitchfork and below the 50%, it could still come back to retest the medium line and the 50% Fibonacci line. Maybe I will delete this and yeah, I'll wait here, as I said yesterday, that I'll wait maybe for a drop, test, retest. Here we have also an uptrend line here, and I'll wait for something here, okay, because as long as it stays above the uptrend, this could still be only a temporary correction, temporary drop on Bitcoin here, yeah. And on lower time frames, maybe we had something like this, like a flag, like an up channel, and here it's failure to make a new higher high, and right now a breakdown and sell off in the short term. That's why, yeah, I want to see how the price of Bitcoin will react here, okay, because test, retest, false breakdowns, a bullish pattern, false breakdowns with great separation or something could signal a potential new rebound. But right now the bias is bearish in the short term, as I've said also yesterday, yeah, that despite temporary rebounds, the price of Bitcoin could still drop. Ethereum, okay. Also here, after its failure to guys, to stay above the uptrend line, test, retest here, and also because the price of Bitcoin drops, Ethereum drops as well. And you can take a look on other, let's take a look, Dogecoin, for example, sell off right now, yeah. Ripple. So I'm using correlations also in cryptocurrencies, in crypto markets. Sell off here on Ripple, Litecoin, sell off. Only because the price of Bitcoin drops, the altcoins drop as well, okay? I don't know, AVAX. Yeah. Sell off here as well. So let's go back. Ethereum. Maybe I will delete all my drawings. So 1, 2, and 3. Drop, retest of the upper medium line, false breakout, and here maybe 13.66 as support, breakdown, and downside continuation. Also here on Ethereum, this could still be only a temporary rebound, retest of the medium line, S1 retest before maybe dropping deeper. And also this could represent, but no, maybe something like this, okay, something like a flag, like an up channel, like a bearish continuation pattern also here on Ethereum. Yeah, if you are interested in Ethereum, but maybe after this breakdown, maybe I'll wait for something like this test retest before dropping deeper. Okay, guys, it seems that you don't have questions. Maybe you are not interested in cryptocurrencies. Yeah, so yeah, yeah, let's take a look again on gold. I was live for 1 hour. Gold, yeah, I've said that staying here could signal an imminent breakout, but I'll wait here before I will decide to go long. I said that I want something like this. Okay, thank you guys, thanks for joining me. Don't forget to like this video. Have a great weekend, and when we'll have high probability trades, strong confirmation, will come back with our potential trades, we'll share our trades with the VIP members in the VIP group. So if you are not a VIP member, please access the link posted right below this video, and for only £35 per month you can become a VIP member. Okay, thank you guys once again. Have a great weekend. And yeah, Orlando will come back with his updates on US 500 on his trades. Thank you guys again. Have a great weekend. See you again on Monday, Tuesday, or maybe I will come back later today with something. Yeah. Thank you guys. Bye bye.